How to use BetterWealth app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people download BetterWealth expecting instant investment magic. But here's the truth: if you use it wrong, you could end up saving, but not truly building wealth. BetterWealth is a financial planning app focused on maximizing efficiency, making sure every dollar you earn works for you. The first beginner mistake: ignoring the blueprint feature. This tool maps out your financial life from income to debt to investments and shows where money is underperforming. Skipping this step means you'll miss key insights that could transform your finances. The next mistake is focusing only on returns. BetterWealth isn't about chasing market highs, it's about building a coordinated system where insurance, investments, and savings all work together. Beginners often ignore protection tools like life coverage or emergency buffers, which are essential to a balanced wealth strategy. Another big one: not syncing all accounts. The app needs full data to give accurate recommendations. Linking only part of your finances limits its power. Also, many users forget to set goals. Without defined targets like retirement, education, or debt-free timelines, BetterWealth can't optimize your plan effectively. Used properly, BetterWealth becomes your personal financial GPS. It helps you identify leaks, strengthen protection, and grow wealth efficiently. So take the time to set it up completely. Because wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how well you use what you already have.